Problems based on this problem, maximum and minimum values. Now audible. You cannot hear you. Now, okay. The problems based on maximum minimum values of the function. Let f of x equal to sin x plus cos x. Okay. So find out the maximum and minimum. So it is in the form of type 3 problem, Nana. Type 3 yesterday we learned. Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. So that problem is, now problem is in the form of a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Let the function is f of x type 3, Nana. This is belongs to type 3. Then it is goes to maximum value. Already we know that is the value is c plus root of a square plus b square, and the minimum value is nothing but c minus root of a square plus b square. Okay, the first question is sin x plus cos x is given. So now what is the value for sin x? Nothing but coefficient of a is, it is not there, means 1, and b equal to cos x quotient is 1. Okay. Then it is goes to the value of the value. Maximum value can be written as c is not there. So c equal to put as to 0. Okay. Then value is goes to root of c plus, that is 0, root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is equal to root 2. And minimum value is nothing but minus of root of c equal to 0 na. So 1 plus 1, 1 square plus 1 square, that is minus root 2. Therefore, the range of the function is, range is always write as first as to minimum and then after write as to maximum. Therefore, the function value of the sin x f of x equal to sin x plus cos x is, sin x plus cos x is minus root 2 comma plus root 2. Okay. F of x equal to sin x plus cos x, then the value of the sin x plus cos x maximum value is in the form of a sin x plus b cos x plus c, then it is goes to sin minus root 2 and plus root 2. And then similarly second question, Nana, you have to practice all this one. So sin 2x f of x equal to, the question is like this, f of x equal to sin 2x minus root 3 into cos 2x. Sin 2x minus root 3 into cos 2x. Find out what is the value for maximum and minimum they are asking. Please give the response. What is the answer for this question? What is the maximum value and minimum value? Give the response fast. So whether it is type 3 no only, a sin x plus b cos x plus c. What is the value for sin, maximum value and minimum value? The angles are same in the function is, first you can observe a sin x plus b cos x only. But here angles are also same. Here angles also same. 2x angles are same. Now let us treat as a equal to sin x quotient 1, b equal to minus root 3 and c equal to what? 0. Okay, give the response. What is the answer? Maximum and minimum value of the given function sin 2x minus root 3 into cos 2x. Compare the value by the formula type 3 model. So then it is c plus root of a square plus b square and c minus root of a square plus b square. Okay, then next goes to minimum value is, maximum value is given to Anirudh, right? Minimum value is, yes, the value is Manvita, super. So plus 2 and minus 2. So just calculation purpose, Nana, just only c equal to 0, closed interval, minus 2 comma 2. Okay, 0 plus root over of, here also same, 1 square plus 1 square. The coefficient not there means this is also plus root 2 and this is also same thing, root 3 whole square, that is root 2 only. And then root 3 whole square minus of, that is equal to minus nothing but positive only, then it is minus 2. Therefore, the range is minus 2 comma 2, that is the range. Okay. That is only I am writing, Nana, minus root 3 only writing. Okay. Here is minus root 3 only I am writing. Not equal to 1. Okay. Minus root 3 whole square and then minus root 3 whole square, that is the value is equal to 2 only. Next, let's go to the next question, third one. Let f of x equal to, I will give some questions, you can solve it one. F of x equal to 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta. And next one, fourth question is, give the response. 8 f of x equal to, the function is 8 sin x plus 6 cos x. And then next one, Lalit, okay. Good afternoon, Lalit, all of you. Good afternoon. Kranti is there, okay. So Sriram Surya, Lalit, okay. Chinmayi, Pranav, Vinayak, yes. Anirudh, Pavitra, Manivardhan, Rishabh, Vaishnavi, Sarvani, Sanovar, Chinmayi, okay. What is the values for, give the response, Nana? I will write the questions. F of x equal to sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Most important, this one is, this already given in the examination in the mains model. Yes, correct answers. Minus 5 and plus 5, right? Rishabh, correct. Yohiv, give the answers. Solve it first. The basic formula a sin x plus b cos x. Deepti, Manivardhan. Manivardhan, are you clear this question? Chinmayi, yes. Second one, 10 and minus 10, correct. I am writing the answers here. The plus value is minus 5 and plus 5 in the answer. Minimum value is minus 5 and maximum value also, that is the value is minus 10 comma plus 10. Chinmayi, write first minus 10. Okay. Lesser number first you write, afterwards positive number. Yes. Next, this is the most important question. It is already given in the examination in the mains model. F of x equal to sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Yes, Manvita, fine. This is the important question. So, it is not in the proper a sin x plus b cos x. That you have to convert that by trigonometry as our basic formulas. So, it is in the form of, so I am writing the power reduced to little terms. So, that is comprises the value as in the form of cos square x whole cube. Now, it is in the form of a plus b whole cube, that is the basic formula, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now, we can write as treat as once little while as a and this is as to b. From this, you can write as a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, the basic formula, this we have to want as this value. So, send this term as to LHS. So, therefore, a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Therefore, this value can be applied as let of f of x equal to sin square x plus cos square x whole cube minus 3 into sin square x into cos square x of sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, this is the formula based substitute in the basic formula a cube plus b cube I am writing. The power is 6 power, so converted by like this, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Obviously, this value is nothing but 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x. Okay, that value is converted by simplification as 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. 1 by 4 comma 1. Yes, correct, Nana. Sharwani, yes, right. So, that is let f of x equal to, just multiply by 4, just multiply by 4, multiply and divided by 4, 4 sin square x into cos square x. So that is the value is nothing but 3 by 4 into what I am done here. So that is just multiply and divide by 4 to get the value for sin 2a. That is sin 2a nothing but sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. So multiply and divide by 4. Why? Because 4 sin square a cos square a can be written as sin square 2a. Sin square 2a. That is why term is not there means 4 is not there means just multiply and divide by 4. So that is equal to sin square 2x. So therefore 1 minus sin square 2x. That is the value. So simplify. Manivardhan, how you got the value 1 by 4 and 1? So let us sin square 2x nothing but just know yesterday we learned that is we know that sin square x range is sin square x belongs to 0, 1 only. So sin square of 2x also belongs to in the interval 0, 1 only. Sin of x in the place 2x also any value that is sin of masala any value then belongs to of 0, 1. Therefore maximum value is nothing but substitute 1 and 0. Okay. So 1 minus 3 by 4 and minimum value is nothing but 1 minus 3 by 4 into 1. Minimum value is nothing but 1 by 4, 1 minus 3 by 4 into this. This is equal to 1 by 4 and this is the value is 1. Therefore, the range of the function given sin power this is the value is 1 by 4 comma 1. Okay, yesterday type 1. In the same process you can solve by sin power f of x equal to the function is another form. So sixth one f of x equal to sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. Find the range of the function that value is given sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. So this is the formula you have to revise Nana. Sin power 6x plus cos power 6x is always 1 minus 1 by 3 by 4 into sin square 2x. Similarly, f of x equal to sin power 4x plus cos power 4x also just now previously solved the basic formula you can apply. In this way this can be solving. That is the formula also can be written as sin square x whole square and then cos square x whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now you want as a square plus b square. This term should be come this side. Then the a square plus b square equal to you can write as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Then solve it this question by that is sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square can be written as sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Okay. 2 sin square x into cos square x which is obviously in the bracket 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. But we have the formula is sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. Then it is right as to 2 sin square x cos square x is there. Then multiply and divide by 2. Then it is 1 minus 1 by 2 into 4 sin square x cos square x. Why? Because we are writing to get the value multiply and divide by 2. Then it is goes to 4. Then the value doesn't change. Then the numerator in the bracket form can be written as 1 minus 1 by 2 into sin square 2x. Okay. Now what is the value for minimum or maximum? Minimum is how much and maximum is how much? This is the value for sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. So just you have to remember sin power 4x plus cos power 4x is always 1 minus 1 by 2 into this value. And similarly this value is 1 minus 3 by 4. Minimum value is nothing but sin square x always lies in the interval 0 and 1. Here minimum value, then you get 1 minus 1 by 2 into 0, and here 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1. Minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 1. So that is sin square 2x also belongs to 0 comma 1. Then it is goes to 1. Here is minus 1 by 2. No, positive 1 by 2 only. So therefore 1 by 2 comma 1 is the range of the function. Okay. The basic formula can be applied, Nana. These questions are in the most important. Sin power 6x plus cos power 6x plus or f of x equal to sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. Most important revised question. Therefore, so the values for this maximum and minimum is 1 by 2 comma 1. Okay. The basic formula can be applied. If it is completed, write your question. Next question is like this. F of x equal to cos power 4x minus sin power 4x. Cos power 4x, yes, 1 by Mukunda Priya, 1 by 2 comma 1. Always range is nothing but lesser number and afterwards minimum value. So let us, you have to write as to that 1 by 2 comma 1 only. Okay. Next question is 7th one. F of x equal to cos power 4x minus sin power 4x. What is the range of the question? Range of the value. F of x equal to sin power 4x minus cos power 4x. Cos power 4x minus sin power 4x. Next 7th question. F of x equal to, that is the question is cos power 4x minus sin power 4x. Cos power 4x minus sin power 4x. As Sriram Pranav, I have completed 7th question. I have written on this next page. F of x equal to cos power 4x minus sin power 4x. What is the maximum and minimum values of this function? Maximum how much and then minimum how much? So it is also in the form of highest powers. Then you can write in the form of our convenient as cos square x whole square minus sin square x whole square. If it is in the not in the standard form, so you have to simplify the value, then you can get an idea. So now it is in the form of a square minus b square form, then it is a plus b into a minus b. So then we can write as this value is cos square x plus sin square x and into cos square x minus sin square x. So then the value is nothing but this total value becomes to cos square x plus sin square x is obviously 1, and this value is nothing but cos 2x. Okay, are you getting or not? Cos square x plus sin square x is obviously 1 and cos square x minus sin square x is obviously what? Cos 2x. Therefore, the value goes to the simplified value of f of x can be written as cos 2x. Now find out the value for cos 2x. Minimum value is always, we know that any value cos x maximum and minimum value is always minus 1 comma 1. Therefore, cos 2x also belongs to in the interval that value is always minus 1 comma 1 only. Therefore, maximum value always 1 and minimum value always equal to minus 1. Okay, the value in the form of not there, so you have to simplify. That is the basic formula. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Cos square x minus sin square x obviously cos 2x. So cos x range is minus 1 comma 1, whereas cos 2x also belongs to in the interval minus 1 comma 1 only. The graph will comprises in the form of cos 2x. Cos 2x always lies in the interval minus 1 comma 1 only. Cos 2x graph also only in the interval minus 1 comma plus 1 and minus 1 only. The graph will synchronized, but the value maximum value is obviously 1 and minus 1 only. Okay, and then go to the next question, 8th one. Yes, are you following, Nana? Give the response. Are you getting or not? Pavitra, Deepti, Vinayak, Manvita, Chinmayi, Nishant, Nishita, Vaishnavi, Deekshita, Rishabh, Anirudh, Lalit. Where is Lohit? Today also absent. Akhilesh, Sanovar, Kranti, Amin Sheikh, Aishwarya. Where is Aishwarya? Nirali, Prashasta, Aditya is there. Okay, where is Prashasta? Samhita, where is Samhita? Pranav Sagar, Sanjay Sharma. Are you following? Are you getting or not? Sindura, yes, next one, question number 8. So many problems are there in the previous exam model. Okay. F of x equal to the value is 1 plus 8 sin square x cos square x is given. Find out the maximum and minimum. Maximum and minimum is equal to how much? So maximum, Amin Sheikh, Sarayu, Aditya, Vaishnavi, Chandrahas, Hashwit, Sritan, Hrutik Rohit, what is this answer? 1 plus 8 sin square x into cos square x. What is the maximum and minimum value? Just now we have completed at the formula. Sin 2a is obviously 2 sin a cos a. Sin square 2a nothing but sin square 2a nothing but 4 sin square 2a. That can be written as sin square of 2a. But here 8 sin square x cos square x is given. So just our conveniently you can simplified terms you can take, that is 1 plus 8 is can be split into 2 times of 4 into sin square x into cos square x. Our convenience you can split it. So that is in the basic formula, that is 4 sin square x into cos square x we have the formula, then it is goes to sin square 2x. Sin square 2x. Now the value is converted by single variable. So let us convenient substitute that sin x we have to belongs to in the interval minus 1 comma 1, whereas sin square x belongs to in the range minus 0 comma 1. Only positive values can take, and therefore sin square 2x also can be in the range only always 0 comma 1 only. Therefore 1 plus 2 into minimum value is 0 and 1 plus 2 into 1. This is the minimum value and this is the value for maximum. This is minimum equal to 1, maximum equal to 3. Therefore, the range equal to how much? 1 comma 3. Sin square x belongs to 0 comma 1 only. Sin square of masala anything, that is sin square 2x, sin square nx equal to lies in the interval also 0 comma 1. So substituted in this value 1 plus 2 into 0 and 1 plus 2 into 1, then you get the range as 1 comma 3 closed interval. Okay, same thing as to same type of question is given. Question number 9. So you have to give the response. So that is f of x equal to 1 plus 8 of sin square of x square and cos square of x square. Same question, just angles are different. What is the answer? Give the response. Give the response in the chat box. Same concept question only. What is the answer for maximum and minimum value of this question also? No minus 1 Anirudh. Sin square x, sin x belongs to minus 1 and 1, whereas sin square x nothing but 0 comma 1 only. Sin x is minus 1 and plus 1, but sin square x only positive values in that interval minus 1 to 1 only takes the positive values, that range values, that is starting from 0 to 1 only they can accept. The graph will be goes on negative part also in the positive part. Therefore, the values belongs to always lies in the interval 0 to 1 in the interval only. Don't take the minus 1, okay. This is sin square x, whereas sin square x also same, sin square 2x also same, sin square nx also same. Only the interval is belongs to 0 comma 1. So substitute and then get the range value as 1 comma 3. That's all. Same concept, just angle x terms are increased, x square is given. What is the answer to this question? Completed. Pranav Sagar, Lohit, Vinayak. Same concept. Rishabh. Yes, Rishabh given correct. Okay. Same concept question. Sanovar. Yes. Sharwani. Yes. Yes. Pranav. Same answer. Yes. That is why I am saying sin square of any something masala is there, then it you get the always lies in the interval 0 comma 1 only. The graph can be written as if the negative portion come into the numerator positive portion. Therefore, the graph is always lies in the interval in the form of 0 to 1 only. Don't take the value as negative. In the minus interval minus 1 comma 1 only we can take the value for 0 comma 1. So sin square of any something value is given, the range only lies in the interval 0 comma 1. Then substitute in this, then you get the answer. Ramana is there, okay. Pavitra, okay, fine. Vaishnavi, yes. Mukunda Priya, okay, fine. Same method, Nana. This is also 1 plus 4 of 2 times of keeping outside sin square of x square into cos square of x square. The angles only different but the process is same. Sin square of 2 of x square only the angle. So this is lies in the interval 0 comma 1. So that is 1 plus 2 into 0 as well as 1 plus 2 into 1. That is also 1 comma 3. So therefore range is equal to 1 comma 3 only. Shashank Ramesh, okay, fine. Next question, 10th one. F of x equal to sin x into sin of 60 plus x into sin of 60 minus x. Sin x into sin 60 plus x into sin 60 minus x. This is only the basic formula, that is nothing but 1 by 4 sin 3a, that is 1 by 4 sin 3x. This is the standard formula, 1 by sin x into sin 60 plus x into sin 60 minus x. Always 60 multiples also, 120 plus x sin x into sin of 120 plus x, 120 minus x also 1 by 4 sin 3a, or else 180, same all 60 multiples if there, the answer is goes to 1 by 4 3x sin 3a. So then it is belongs to, we know that sin 3x it is lies in the interval obviously 0 comma 1. Therefore 1 by 4 into minus 1 comma 1, sin x is there na, sin x is nothing but minus 1 comma plus 1. If it is sin 3x also you can write as 1 by 4 into minus 1 first part, 1 by 4 into plus 1, that is minus 1 by 4 comma plus 1 by 4. Therefore the range is nothing but minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. Sin of something, Nana, Sin x, we know that sin x belongs to, that is the value is always minus 1 comma plus 1. And whereas sin of something, any something, sin of masala, that is sin of anything belongs to in the interval minus 1 comma 1 only. That is why this total value can be transformed into minimum as to minus 1 and maximum as to plus 1. Okay, next go to the next question. Similar concept question is given. So that is question number 11. F of x equal to 4 into cos of x square into cos of pi by 3 plus x square into cos of pi by 3 minus x square. Sharvani, Chinmayi, Shashank Ramesh, Manvita, Sritan, Anirudh, Akhilesh, Chandrahas, Rakesh. Where is Rakesh today? Present or absent? Rakesh is there? Pranav, Abhinav, so 4 into cos of x square, cos of pi by 3 plus x square, cos of pi by 3 minus x square is given. Same concept in the terms of cos and multiplied by 4 is given. So same concept up to this, the formula is right as to what the formula? If it is in the form of this formula can be written as 4 into 1 by 4 cos 3a. Cos 3 into a nothing but a in the place x square we have. That's all. So then it is goes to 4 will be get cancelled. 4 will be get cancelled. Then the function is goes to cos of 3 into x square. Now it is in the form of cos 3a. This value is belongs to in the interval cos in the formula. Then it is belongs to in the interval cos x. We know that sin x is belongs to in the interval minus 1 comma 1. And similarly cos x also belongs to in the interval minus 1 comma 1 only. Therefore the answer is goes to how much? Therefore the answer is the range equal to, also if it is not multiples are there, just directly write as 2 minus 1 comma 1 only. Yes, Ramana is there. Nana, where is Chandrahas, like that people? Yes, same thing, cos of any value, cos of sin x, it's same before that problem. Sin x belongs to minus 1 comma 1, sin of masala, that is any value of x. Here also cos x belongs to this, and cos of, similarly cos of 3x square also in the interval belongs to minus 1 comma 1 only. Okay, then go to the next question. Similar type questions are given in the exam. Question number 11. Yes, Sujan is there, fine. 12th question. F of x equal to, the value is nothing but cos square of pi by 3 plus minus x minus cos square of pi by 3 plus x. What is the formula for this value? Yes, Amin, Sujan, Pranav. So just you have to think which formula can be application to this question. Formula can be applied, then you get the answer directly. What is the formula for that? Is in the form of what? Which formula? Which formula can be applied here? Basic formula only. Cos square b minus cos square a, that is formula as cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. This formula can be application. So substitute in this. This is the formula. In the place of a we have, this. In the place of b we have pi by 3 plus x. Now substitute in the formula. So cos square a minus cos square b, that is in the form of cos of pi by 3 minus plus x plus pi by 3 minus x, and similarly cos of pi by 3 plus x minus pi by 3 plus x. Now simplify. So in the form of cos of, cos square, cos now, which formula can be application? This is cos, both are sine means cos, sine only na, it is not cos, only sine. Whether it is in the form of both are sine or both are cos, then it is goes to sine only. Sine of a plus b into sine of a minus, both are belongs to individual, that is sine in one term is sine, one term is cos, then it is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Okay. As it is, we are adding now, no need to worry. Okay, sine. So that is also sine. So sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b, that is sine of 2 pi by 3 into here pi by 3 cancel, that is equal to sine 2x. So sine 2x nothing but this is the value for maximum. Sine 2 pi by 3 equal to how much? Sine 120. Sine 2 pi by 3. So okay, root 3 by 2. This value is nothing but root 3 by 2. So then into sine 2x, which is equal to maximum value nothing but root 3 by 2 into plus 1, and minimum value is nothing but root 3 by 2 into minus 1, which is equal to root 3 by 2, and this is equal to minus root 3 by 2. That's all. So cos square, all terms in the form of sin square a minus sin square b, or else cos square b minus cos square a. Let it be treat as this has to b and this has to a. Cos square b minus cos square a, then you write as sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So a plus b nothing but pi by 3 plus x into pi by 3 minus x. Here plus x minus x will be get cancelled, and pi by 3 will be get cancelled. Sin 2 pi by 3 is, so through sin 60, sin 180 minus 6. Okay, so that is root 3 by 2 into sin 2x. Sin x belongs to in the interval, yes, sin x by 2 in the interval plus 1 and minus 1. So sin 2x also can be belongs to in the interval minus 1 comma plus 1 only. Then simplify, then the range of the function is minus root 3 by 2 comma plus root 3 by 2. That's all. This is the question number 12. Then similarly the question is same concept question is there. Question number 13, f of x equal to sin square of pi by 3 plus x into plus sin square of pi by 3 minus x. In the previous question, in terms of cos, that is in the form of negatives, but it is in the form of sin square pi by 3 plus x plus sin square pi by 3 minus x is given. So then it is goes to it is not in the formula, whereas the formula in the form of sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, that is sin square a minus sin square b, or cos square b minus cos square a, or else sin square a, cos square a minus sin square b is cos a plus b into cos a minus b into same, but it is not in the proper order. So let us simplify it, convert into our convenience to get the formula. 1 minus cos square of pi by 3 plus x you can write, and then plus sin square of pi by 3 minus x, keep it as same. Now take the minus as common, that is cos square of pi by 3 plus x minus sin square of pi by 3 minus x. Now it is in the formula cos square b minus cos square a minus sin square b formula, then it is goes to 1 minus cos of a plus b, that is pi by 3 plus x into cos of plus cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So that is pi by 3 plus x minus pi by 3 plus x. Formula nana, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. This has treat as some little for while as b. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b formula we can apply it here. So that is cos square a minus sin square b, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Then it is goes to 1 minus of cos of, the value is simplified by x sin x cancel, that is cos of 2 pi by 3 into here pi by 3 get cancelled, then it is goes to cos 2x. Now cos of 2 pi by 3, that is 120, cos 120 nothing but how much? Minus 1 by 2, this value is nothing but minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x, then it is goes to 1 plus 1 by 2 into cos 2x. So that is minimum value always cos x nothing but in the interval minus 1 comma 1. Therefore the minimum value is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 2 into minus 1, and then maximum value is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 2, no, plus 1 by 2, and this is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, the options are, okay fine, correct answer only. That is the options are given 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Yes, correct. We got the correct answer. That is the formula 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 as the maximum value. The range is 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Application for sine formula and substitute in this cos 2 by 3 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Simplify, cos x belongs to minus 1 comma plus 1, whereas cos 2x also belongs to in the interval, the value doesn't change. So cos of any masala, that is means any angle, that is also belongs to in the interval minus 1 comma 1. Then you get the substituted in this minimum and maximum value, then you get the answer directly. So the formula is like, questions are in the like this model only. Okay, and then go to the question number 14. Same concept question is f of x equal to sine square of 120 plus theta plus sine square of 120 minus theta. Sine square of 120 plus theta, sine square of 120 minus theta. Same concept question nana, this can be also can be written as 1 minus cos square of 120 plus theta plus sine square of 120 minus theta. Okay, now it is can be written as 1 minus cos square of 120 plus theta minus sine square of 120 minus theta. Now it is can be form of in the basic formula just now we have completed. Cos of a plus b, by adding you can get 240, and cos of a minus b, by adding this value theta will be get theta minus 120 will be get cancelled, cos of theta, that is cos 2 theta. So 1 minus cos 240 is obviously minus 1 by 2 into cos 2 theta. Therefore that is 1 plus 1 by 2 into cos 2 theta. For maximum or minimum it is belongs to in the interval minus 1 comma 1. Therefore maximum value is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 2, which is 3 by 2, and minimum value is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the range of the function of the given function is 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Yes, that is the answer. Question number 13, same concept question only, some different is there. Okay, and similarly go to the next question. Are you following Nana? Give the response. Are you getting the basics? Based on the basic formulas only, substitute in this maximum and minimum value concept, then make it to convert the single variable term, then proceed. That is the answer, that's all. Yes, next question is there. Question number 14, 14 over, now 15th. Question number 15. F of x equal to 5 cos theta plus 3 into cos of theta plus pi by 3 plus 3. In previous problems the angles are same in the form, but here the angles are different. So many angles are totally different. Okay. So you have to simplify. So the angles are different, Nana. Here this is angle is theta is given here, theta plus pi by 3. So always in the form of a cos theta, a sin theta plus b cos theta plus c. But here angles are different, so let us have to simplify 5 cos theta into 3 times of, this is in the form of cos of a plus b formula. Then it is goes to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Then cos of cos theta into cos pi by 3 minus sin theta into sin pi by 3 of plus 3. Then simplify 5 cos theta plus how much? Cos pi by 3 is nothing but 1 by 2. So cos theta into 1 by 2 minus sin theta into, the value is nothing but root 3 by 2 into sin pi by 3 root 3 by 2 plus 3. So that is 5 cos theta plus 3 by 2 cos theta minus 3 root 3 by 2 into sin theta plus 3. Now simplify cos theta as 1 terms, cos theta is common, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, that is 13 by 2 cos theta minus 3 root 3 by 2 into sin theta plus 3. Therefore, the maximum value is nothing but how much? Root of a square plus c plus root of a square plus b square, and the minimum value is c minus root of a square plus b square. So that is, here the value is nothing but a equal to this, the value as a, and this is the value for b, and this is the value for c. Then substitute in this, then you get the answer directly. So 3 plus 169 by 4 plus 27 by 4. So 3 plus, this is 16, 196 by 4 nothing but how much? So 6 plus 9, that is nothing but 7, which is equal to 10. So minimum value is nothing but 3 minus 7, which is equal to minus 4. And the range equal to minus 4 comma 10. That is the answer. Yes, Sharwani, super. Manvita, super. And next question. Okay, are you getting, Nana? So many questions are there in the previous examination. Same concept based. Are you following, Nana? In the MSET also they give the question, in the mains also this concept questions only. All are previous year questions only I am giving. Rishabh, okay, fine. And 16th question now. Question number 16. F of x equal to sin square x plus 2 sin x plus 3. Sin square x plus 2 sin x plus 3. This is the type 2 concept, Nana. Yesterday we learned. This is converted by the single variable term, then proceed. So this can be written as sin x whole square plus 2 into sin x into plus 1 into 1 and then into 1 square minus 1 square plus 3 as it is. Up to first part, this part can be written as a plus b whole square. So that is sin x plus 1 whole square and then plus 2. Therefore, this value cannot be equal to 0. This is always must be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, the y maximum f of x, the minimum value is nothing but you can get the value as, if it is substitute is as to this total term equal to 0, 0 plus 2 nothing but the value minimum is goes to 2. So that's all. They find the minimum value they are asking. Okay. This question number 17. What is the minimum value of sin square x plus cos square x divided by the minimum value of sin square 3x by 2 plus cos square 3x by 2 they are asking. Options are 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. Yes. What is the minimum value of sin square x? It is obviously it is in the form of sin square theta identity formula. Therefore, minimum of 1 is always divided by minimum of 1 is nothing but it is also the identity basic formula sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is also 1. That is equal to 1 only. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Basic question that is. Okay, question number. Are you getting, Nana? Give the response. Rishabh, Manvita, Shervani, Shivadanesh, Ramana, Sanovar, Pranav. Question number 17 over, then go to the question number 18. And f of x equal to the question is given that yes, Anirudh, 8 sin theta into cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta is given. What is the value for maximum and minimum value of this function f of x? 8 sin theta, cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta is given. So, Lalit, where are you, Lalit? Lohit, where is Lohit? You have understood or not? Amin Sheikh, Sarayu, Rohit, Shashank, Pavitra, Rishabh, Pranav, Kranti, Nishank, Nishita, Mukunda, Manivardhan, Chinmayi, Pavitra. So the basic formula you know that is can be written as yes 2 into okay 8 can be split into our convenience, Nana. 8 can be split as 2 sin theta cos theta, that is why 4 into 2 sin theta cos theta you can change into cos 2 theta cos 4 theta you can write. Okay, so that is 2 sin theta cos theta nothing but obviously the value is nothing but this is the basic formula sin 2 theta, then it is goes to 4 into sin 2 theta this value, and similarly cos 2 theta is keep it as same and always cos 4 theta keep it as same. Yes, Sujan, correct only. Now again 4 can be split into 2 times of 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Now again it can be written as this value is obviously again we can formula as sin 2 theta form in the basic of formula. Then it is goes to sin of in the place of 2 theta nothing but 4 theta cos 4 theta. Again the formula is goes to sin of 8 theta. Therefore f of x is belongs to this. We know that sin x range is always belongs to minus 1 comma 1, whereas sin 8x is also belongs to in the interval minus 1 comma 1 only. That is the maximum value is same thing, Nana, 1, minimum value is minus 1. That's all. Question number 18 like this. Is over, now 19th one. F of x equal to, if f of x equal to cos cube x plus cos cube of 120 plus x plus cos cube of 120 minus x equal to, the find the value for maximum and minimum, that is the value for cos cube x plus cos cube of 120 plus x cos cube of 120 minus x. In the 8th standard we learn the formulas, that is If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then it is goes to a cube plus b cube plus c cube is always nothing but 3 times of abc. This is the basic formula. If it is sum of the values becomes to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Chinmay, are you understood, Nana? If in the place of a we have cos cube x, in the place of b we have this, and in the place of c we have this. Now substitute in this. So that is 3 times of cos x into cos of 120 plus x into cos of 120 minus x. Now again in the formula, first we have same thing concept if the problem is completed. Yes, then it is goes to 3 times of cos x into cos 120 plus x into cos 120 minus x, obviously 1 by 4 sin 3a. So that is goes to now here 3 by 4 into cos 3x. Now the maximum value is nothing but 3 by 4. Cos 3x always belongs to in the interval minus 1 comma 1. Cos x belongs to minus 1 comma 1. Similarly, cos 3x also belongs to in the interval minus 1 comma 1 only. So 3 by 4 into 1, and minimum value is nothing but 3 by 4 into minus 1. So that is goes to, therefore the range is equal to, we can write as minus 3 by 4 comma plus 3 by 4. That's all. Whether it is correct or not, you can also check it. Cos x plus cos of 120 plus x plus cos of 120 minus x can be given as to 0 or not by re-verification. It will be 0, but you have to know that the concept. This similar question also is there, you can write yourself. Now it is in the form of cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. That is cos of 2 cos a cos b. That is 2 cos 120 into cos x. So that is gives you cos x plus 2 into cos 120 nothing but minus 1 by 2 into cos x. 2 will be get cancelled. Then cos x minus cos x, which is gives you 0. Therefore a plus b plus c, here we got the value as 0. Then we can substitute as a cube plus b cube plus 3abc concept we can apply it. Okay, that is the formula is. Here the formula is nothing but cos a into cos of a plus cos of 120 plus a into cos of 120 minus a. The formula is 1 by 4 sin 3a. Cos a into cos of 120 plus a into 120 minus a, which is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3a. All multiples of 60 multiples, this can be satisfied the formula. 2, 3 or 3 terms formulas are included in this problem. So such type of questions only they will give in the examination. Okay, are you following, Nana? Nishant, Nishita, Pavitra, Vinayak, Pranav Sagar, Aditya, Anirudh, Sheikh, Lalit, so many concepts are mixed in this question. Okay, like this questions are low in the questions are well, they will give most practice. Important is that is the most, revise all those, Nana. So many times I will give you the so many questions are there, you have to practice well. If this question is in the AAA question, that is mains question only. If 5 cos x, this concept questions also we have done. 5 cos y equal to 13, then maximum value of 5 sin x plus 12 sin y is dash. So 5 cos x plus 12 cos y equal to 13. Then maximum value of 5 sin x plus 12 sin y equal to how much? This type of questions are there. So like these questions are whenever given, I already told you which method can be applied. 5 cos x plus 12 cos y equal to 13, and maximum value of 5 sin x plus 12 sin y equal to dash. Such problems if we have appeared, then we can go to the concept of Squaring and adding, that method I already explained you. Are you getting or not? Squaring and adding, then the value can be simplified, then get the values for minimum and maximum value can substitute. The answer will be, you get the range value. That's all. This is the concept. This type of questions in the form of squaring and adding method I already explained to you. So let k equal to, treat the value whatever the answer is given, 5 sin x plus 12 sin y. Such type of questions you can take the squaring and adding method. So that is squaring and adding. So that is, the value is nothing but k square plus 13 square equal to 5 cos x plus 12 cos y whole square plus 5 sin x plus 12 sin y whole square. Now it is in the form substitute, that is 25 cos square x plus 144 cos square y plus 24 5 120 into cos x cos y plus 25 sin square x plus 144 sin square y plus 120 sin x into sin y. This is obviously, the value is goes to 25 cos square x, 25 sin square x is obviously 1, and this is, take the common for 144, then you get the value is here equal to k square plus 169. Okay, then simplification, k square plus 169, here 25 common, sin square x plus cos square, that is 25, and 144 plus common, cos square y plus sin square y is equal to 1, then 144, and then 120 as treating the common in the remaining terms, cos x cos y plus sin x into sin y. So that is equal to 169 plus 120 into cos of, which is in the formula, this is of the formula, this is cos x cos y plus sin x into sin y. The formula is cos of x minus y, which is equal to k square plus 169, cancel. Therefore, k square equal to 120 into cos of x minus y, then the value is goes to k equal to root 120 into cos of x minus y. So for getting the maximum or minimum, this value also belongs to in the interval minimum and minus 1 and plus 1. Therefore the maximum value is nothing but 120 into plus 1 and root of 120 into minus 1, that is plus root 120, and then it is goes to minus 120. But in the question is given only the maximum value. Therefore the maximum value is nothing but positive of 120. Okay, are you following, Nana? Okay, this type of questions are given in the questions. Okay, tomorrow I'll complete the next topic. Okay, thank you. Solve it one, Nana. Once again revise all those yesterday class and today's class. So 20 problems are over today. So okay, right, Nana? Thank you.